Hey everyone! Today I'm going to dive into something truly transformative, how ketosis can help you shed pounds fast. If you've been on the quest for a sustainable weight loss method, stick around, because this might just be the game changer you need. So, what exactly is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body shifts from burning carbohydrates for energy to burning fat. Yeah, you heard that right, burning fat. This happens when you follow a ketogenic diet, which is low in carbs and high in fats. First off, let's talk about fat burning. On a keto diet, your body runs low on carbs, its usual fuel. In response, your liver starts converting stored fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones then become your primary energy source. Imagine turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's move on to another perk, reduced hunger. The high fat content of the keto diet can keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. This means you're less likely to overeat or indulge in unhealthy snacks. Plus, lower insulin levels can improve how your body manages blood sugar, giving you even more control over your appetite. And guess what? Ketosis can also boost energy efficiency. Once your body gets the hang of burning fat and ketones for fuel, you'll notice a faster rate of weight loss. Combine this with regular exercise, and you could be torching an extra 50 to 200 calories per day. Every little bit helps, right? In the early stages of the keto diet, you might experience some rapid weight loss. This is often due to losing water that was stored with carbohydrates. While it's not the same as fat loss, it can be a great motivational boost to see those numbers on the scale drop quickly. One of the most exciting benefits of ketosis is reduced cravings. With fewer cravings and increased satiety, sticking to a calorie deficit becomes a whole lot easier. And we all know, a calorie deficit is essential for effective weight loss. To achieve and maintain ketosis, it's important to limit your carbohydrate intake to about 5 to 10% of your daily calories, typically around 20 to 50 grams per day. Make sure most of your calories come from healthy fats. And remember, always keep an eye on your overall calorie intake to ensure you're in a calorie deficit. So, there you have it. Ketosis can be a powerful tool for weight loss, thanks to its ability to burn fat, reduce hunger, increase energy efficiency, and curb cravings. But like any diet, it's crucial to approach it mindfully and consult with a healthcare provider to make sure it's right for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Here's to your health and wellness journey. Let's make 2025 your best year yet.